Hi everyone, welcome to the Moodle Minute. I'm Marni with quick tips to make teaching with Moodle easier and faster. Today's topic, setting overrides in Moodle. Have you ever had a student miss an assignment deadline for personal reasons and wondered how to let just that student submit late? Or maybe you have a student with academic accommodations who needs time and a half on a quiz. Moodle has a really helpful feature called overrides that lets you do exactly that and more. Overrides are most commonly used in assignments and quizzes, and they can be set for individual students or group of students. Just a quick note, to use the group override, your groups need to be set up ahead of time. Let's walk through how this works. First, let's start with an override in an assignment. Open the assignment, click More, and choose Overrides. From the menu on the left, you can either select User Overrides or Group Overrides. Group overrides are for predefined group of students. User overrides are for individual students. Today we'll focus on an individual student. Click Add User Override. Then choose the student from the drop-down list. Now you can set exactly what that student needs. Assignment open date, assignment due date, assignment cutoff date, and the time allowed to complete the assignment if needed. Click Save if you're done, or save and enter another override if you're adding more students. On this screen, you'll always see your existing overrides, and you can edit, copy, or delete them. That copy option is especially handy if multiple students need the same accommodation. Now let's talk about overrides in a quiz. Open the quiz, click More, and select Overrides. Again, select User Override or Group Override. Today we'll stick with a single student. Click Add User Override. Find the student from the drop-down menu, and then set what you need. Quiz open date, quiz close date or due date, the time limit, and the number of attempts. You'll also notice a Require Password option here. Most of the time, you don't need this, especially for individual student overrides. Passwords are typically only useful in a group override, supervised testing situations, where the password is given to students right at the start of the exam, so everyone begins at the same time. Click Save or save and enter another override to keep going. Just like with assignments, you can edit, copy, or delete overrides at any time. Overrides are a clean, flexible way to support accommodations and special circumstances without creating extra work or confusion in your course. And if you're ever unsure whether to use a user override, a group override, or something else entirely, the GTS Helpline is always here to help. And that's your Moodle Minute. Thanks for watching!